I think.
I did, definitely. There's like big ones after every couple, like little lights. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, that's cool.
Y'all should come get some videos. This is cool.
There's some big ones that are coming over here and over there. Oh, yep.
There's gotta be a big one. I didn't get that.
I don't know what's going on that side. They need
Ooh.
I need another one like there was before.
Can I sit right here?
Sit down.
Ooh, I'm scared.
Sit.
Ooh, Kobe, that was a good one, right?
Whoa, what's going on over there?
Ooh, what's that
I
one?
think there's another storm.
Ooh.
That one.
Is it gone?
They're going that way now. We're not getting as many over here.
It's come over here. There's more writing over here. Those are more writing.
There it is.
That was cool.
I got 2 stars.
Are you gonna put this on TikTok?
No, it's too long on TikTok. It was like a 3-minute long.
Who put this on YouTube?
You. 2 minutes of lightning.